Hi, I'm Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Stairlift. In this video, I'll show you how to install the battery and properly charge your Atlas Stairlift. The Mobile Stairlift Atlas is a stair climbing solution that allows users to remain in their own wheelchair while being safely transported up or down stairs with caregiver assistance. Now, let's take a look at how to install your battery. To start, you're gonna locate the battery compartment at the back of the Atlas frame. You're gonna lock the wheels on the chair to keep it stable during the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock this. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide the battery down into the compartment and use the key to lock it into place. To charge the battery, plug the charger into a standard wall outlet, then you're gonna connect the charging cord directly to the port on the side of the battery. Alternatively, you can remove the battery from the Atlas and charge it separately. Simply lift the battery straight up, then plug it into the charger while it's off the unit. This is especially helpful if your stairlift is stored away from the outlet or in a location where direct charging isn't convenient. We recommend charging the battery after each use and avoiding full discharge to help extend battery life. And that's it. Installing and charging your Atlas battery is quick and simple. Now, if you have any questions, please visit mobilestairlift.com or give us a call. We're here to help you make your stair transport safer and easier every day. Thanks for watching.